Okay, so that is on what we call the Zika virus. So with that, what you do will be you check the circumference. So what you do will be there is like this. Can you see a chart where it shows? You see there is, for example, this is hair circumference for age percentiles. Okay. Okay, that is from birth to 36 months of age. Usually we do hair circumference for the first 3 years of age, okay? 3 years of age. For example, you don't do hair circumference for you now, yes? Do you do? No. Okay? Okay? So up to 3 years of age. Okay, so you compare, can you see? Let's say if a baby is of age this much months, then what should be the hair circumference? So you'll get it here. So you can check that this is the normal standard, and if it is below the normal or within the normal range of with that percentile. So that's called hair circumference. So two conditions that we need to know here are microcephaly. So microcephaly means a small size head. Okay, let's say if the head circumference is small, it's called microcephaly. That's because of Zika virus. That's the one that we said. And hydrocephalus is if the head circumference is what? Large or bigger. Okay, let me show you that. It's called hydrocephalus. Hydrocephalus. Here, can you see? A big head. This is normal, this is big. Okay, bigger head. So usually this is because of accumulation of abnormal amount of what? Fluid in the skull or in the brain. Okay, when there is accumulation of that fluid in the skull here, that's called. So for this, usually they do a treatment, what we call a shunt. It's called ventriculoperitoneal shunt. It means they transfer or the fluid from the brain here, from the area called ventricles, into the abdomen. So they shunt it. They divert that fluid from here. They put tube and then they shunt it.
And the head?
Yeah.
Goes to the.
Yeah, that's the treatment that they do shunting. Okay. So our main thing is here. How do we measure the height or hair circumference with inches and foot? So if you want to convert a foot to inch, okay, divide foot by 12 to convert to inch. Let's say, for example, if you have 64 inch, that will be 5 foot and 4 inch. And the other measurement is the conversion of weight in kilograms to pounds. Okay, so weight, you can have it in kilogram and in pounds. So let's say if you have 1 kilogram, okay, that will measure how much pounds?
2.2.
2.2. Okay, so the reverse is 1 pound will be 1 over 2.2, which is 0.45 kilograms. Okay, so let's do some exercises here. Okay, can you see? So I will give you this one and then try to convert them to the respective values, okay?
So now we should start.
Yeah, do exercise there. So when you get the first one, let me know.
Okay.
So 20 pound, how many kilograms is that?
44.
No, you change pound to kilograms. So what do you do?
I change lab to kilogram.
Yeah.
Yes.
So how do you convert it?
44. 44.
Did you multiply it?
LB. Oh no, I didn't. Oh, I just changed it to LB. I'm sorry. I converted. Yes,
Huh?
I should divide. I should divide to it.
Yes, divide it.
I just.
You want the kilograms.
9 point.
Okay.
9.09.
9.09. Okay. Okay, next.
What was? Okay. To LB.
Yeah.
$143.
So it means 65 multiplied by 2.2. 143. Okay. Then
The third one is to convert to kg.
180.
266. Divided by 120.
118.18, yes? So 118.18, or maybe you can also round it. Okay.
So how do you do it on this after you get yours?
11.
Yeah. Okay.
And
So now let's convert
foot to inch.
yeah, foot and inch to inch. Now here you have 5 foot and 5 inch.
So 1 foot is. Do we have
Use 1 foot is what? 12 inch, yes?
1 foot is 12 inch?
Okay.
So you're going to convert that into kilograms?
Into inches. Oh, 5.5 inches to inches.
No, this is 5 foot and 5 inch to inch.
Oh,
So convert everything to inch.
so convert everything to
65?
Yeah. Because look, 5 foot is how many inch? 5 times 12, yes?
Yes. And
That will be 60. So
Add-
you add the
add
remaining
5.
5. So that will be 65. Okay, and you have here 4 foot and 5 inch.
and the last one is 4 foot.
Oh. So 4 times
53?
36.
53
Okay, 4 times 12 will be how much? 48. 48 plus 5 will be 53, yes? You say 53?
53.
Yeah. Okay, that's it. We're done. We got all of them, okay?
Did you understand?
Mm-hmm.
One foot is 12 inch.
Mm-hmm.
So,
Multiply 12
yes.
by 5.
And add 5.
Okay, yeah, yeah.
Because the remain is inch. We should convert it to inch.
I didn't get that. I can't get that kilogram together.
Okay. We did it at home with me.
We did it in class, but
Yes.
I forgot how to do it. So,
1 kilogram is 2.2 grams.
mm-hmm.
And if
So
you want to,
when I do it on this, how would I do it? 2.2?
yes, if we want to convert kilogram to the
Mhm.
left,
Mm-hmm.
we should multiple.
Multiply.
Multiply, yes.
Okay.
If we want to change the pound, LB,
Mm-hmm.
to kilogram, we should divide it by 2 point.
Oh, okay. One is multiply, one is divide.
Yes.
Okay. Mm-hmm. What time is this class over, Dr. T?
I think we finish at a little before 2.
Okay. This is like a refresher for me.
Yeah.
I already went over this.
Okay, now vital signs. What are some vital signs? We have TPR and blood pressure. TPR means T stands for what? For temperature. P stands for
Pressure.
pulse.
Oh,
Pulse.
pressure.
And R stands for
R is for respiration.
respiratory rate and blood pressure. Okay, so these are our 4 vital signs.
T stands for
Temperature?
temperature.
Yeah, and P for pulse rate. R for respiratory rate.